Everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel Ebonigo TV. My Africa people, my European people, how una dey? I hope una dey very strong like Zuma Rock. I hope una dey very okay. I don't come back again with good news, my people. Hey, una see this very fine girl una dey see so. This Uku, this Uku, 1 in a million. This Uku so they don award her as the best female actor, abi female actress of the year. Destiny Otiko, you need that. You deserve her. You deserve her. You deserve her, my people. My dear, in this life, in anything you are doing, do am well. Try your best, do am well. Destiny Otiko, you deserve her. Congratulations to you, sweetheart. Congratulations to you. Haters, may they go hang themselves for transformer. May they go hang themselves for transformer, my dear, because you dey try. You dey try. At least, if they like, may they talk, say, na Uku now you take get the award. Na they are mad, because in this life anything wey person do dem must talk. Whether you do good o dem must talk, whether you do bad o dem must talk. My dear, you deserve am. Mona dey join me dey congratulate her. Abeg, you know say this life na who join person happy na dey still dey join happy o. Mona join me congratulate her. E no easy. Her talent she use am well. If e easy, even people be say they even dey talk, because I dey go comment section, some people sef this life a human being dem no sabi appreciate something o. Dem no dey fit dey appreciate anything. For comment section now na so dem dey talk, na so this your own sef, wetin how you take even get am sef, abi no be sugar daddy do am for you so, and you sure say na this? Una blind. How can somebody be say e dey talent like this now still dey criticize am? Human being, not to be so una no go talk nothing. Even some of them dey talk say you try though, but you need to dey wear cloth. If you no wear cloth, how e take concern you? If you no wear cloth, how e take concern you? Some people go here dey judge person. You wey dey wear cloth, so where you don reach? Even you some people go even dey talk say maybe the think say maybe na the way person take dey dress na person take dey commit sipa. You wey be say you dey even dey cover your body up and down, wey you dey cover your body reach ground, your own sin go even pass this girl be say no dey cover body. Una here dey criticize person up and down. You try, you some say I will come, but you did not even dress well. Some people say you even say hi people, you didn't even say hi fans. What dey come concern you if you say hi people, hi fans? If you no like her, you comot for her page. My dear, congratulations to you. Haters, they'll fit go hang theirself. E no concern person. You are just like a movie train. Nobody go fit stop you. Congratulations to you. Congratulations. The drama don herself. Congratulations. More grace to you. More strength to you. More strength to you. All those actresses, they will be say all of them, all their set, because of form and pride, e dey no fit comot for ground. But she no dey proud. She no dey proud. She no dey proud. Now I say like her. I like her personality. She dey try. She dey try. Destiny Otiko na person be say if you give her role make she play, she go plan excess. She go plan excess. E no easy. E no easy. Even wey be say we be just presenter, before we go even dey to face camera sef, no be moi talk less of come face crowd dey act. My dear, congratulations. You deserve her. You deserve her, my dear. You deserve her. Congratulations to you. For all those men wey be say dem dey find male child dey go, make una come see wetin woman dey do now. Make una come see. If dem dey tell the men, if you get woman pikin, if you get girl pikin, train her for school. Dem no go wan train. Dem no go wan train. Dem go say nah, women girl pikin no good there. Girl pikin na another dement. Shey dis girl now, you no see proud wey be say e dey give e family. E family dey very proud of her. Her family dey very proud of her. You understand? Now for all those men be say they find male child dey go, my dear, anyone be say God give you, take am like that. So far make you fit train am. You understand? Because even the Bible talk am say train a child the way he will go, so that when he grow old he will not depart away from it. You understand? So Destiny Otiko, you are 1 in a million. I'm really happy for you. I'm happy for you. You are my role model. You are my role model, because you no dey form at all. You no dey form. you dey do your thing the way e please you, and I like you for that. And I like you. I know say this one wey you just see corner now, many people, all your friends dem wey be say una dey act together, I know say jealousy go dey come o, but my dear, just still wise up. Na the small advice wey I wan give you be that. Wise up, okay? Wise up, because jealousy go dey come for different place. Because I know say many people be say all of una gather start this drama together, then the stage wey be say you don reach, so dem never reach, jealousy go dey come for different place. But my dear, no look all those one. Focus on your goal. Focus. You understand? God go see you through. So my people, make una ready o. Na the 28th of February this Sunday, so for Oriental Hotel for Victoria Island, na there they do am. Na there be the play. Me sef don ready o. I don carry my bag, I don dey go now. Mo see ourselves for them, mo go support our girl o. Congratulations once again, my role model, my drama doll. Congratulations. If they like, make dem say na uku, say na man I give you. If e easy, make dem still go give them, make dem go do their own. Na say e just reach. Congratulations. So my people, please, if you are new to this my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe or share, like and comment. So my whole subscriber, my returning subscriber, God bless you. I so much appreciate you. Please congratulate our lovely sister, because it's not easy. Celebrate others so that when it gets to your turn, they go celebrate you. So I go leave now, make una watch this funny TikTok video. Be say she take dey shake this big uku, so make you still laugh oh. Now say you just reach my people. Bye bye yo.
Imagine me dating you. No quarrel, no fighting, no argument. You want to waste my talent in here? Èmi ò lè rí talent tèmi mọ́lẹ̀ o. Kò possible.